Welcome back to the channel, folks. Something just a little bit different. So Santa brought me a DJI Neo drone for Christmas, and as I've not been out on a bike yet, I've not really had a chance to play with it. But I did get the opportunity with work last week. I was up in the Orkney Islands, went up to Orkney, Rousay and Westray, and decided to take the drone and the camera with me. So I've got some shots from the three islands. Let's have a look through and see what we've got. So the shot you've got just now, that's just a view over the top end of Caithness and the Pentland ferry coming back into Gills Bay. And this was us on Westray. So the island you can see there is Papa Westray. And as we swing around, we should be able to see the whole of the island from here. And a little bit of water at the bottom, that's the bottom end of Westray where the ferry comes in at Rapness. And as we swing all the way around, the first bit of land you can see there is the island of Rousay. And if you jump in the water round about there and keep swimming, you'll eventually end up in Canada. And then that's the village of Pirawall round the bay. So this is a view over the top end of Westray itself. As the camera pans round to the right, there's a little white building there, and that's the airport on Westray, and the distance from the runway on Westray to the runway on Papa Westray is about the same length as the runway at Glasgow Airport. That's the shortest flight in the world. It's about a minute and a half on a good day. You see here on the building on the left hand side, the shed, the slabs that sit on the roof. There's loads of buildings on this island that have made up of what they call Caithness slab. So there's slabs on the ground, and then you find slabs on the roof as well. You'll see the slabs all the way around the base and on the roof. We spent the day over on Rousay. So this was about 11:30 in the morning, and the sea can be a little bit deceiving. About an hour and a half later, when we were on the ferry home, it was wild. You can see, just if you look at the in shot up the top here, how much the drone's swinging about in the wind as it goes round.